Hey, third graders, today you're going to complete the pattern sort page in your word study packet. Your job is to read each word in this word bank, circle the ending, and then decide where that word should go. Would it go vowel plus Y, or would it go in the consonant plus Y? Then you are going to choose one word from each column above and write a sentence using that word. So you are going to choose one word that you wrote in this section, and then a word that you wrote in this section, and use those words in a complete sentence. Make sure you start with a capital letter and end with a punctuation mark. Before you begin working, let's read the words in the word bank together. Destroy, carry, empty, journey, rely, multiply, annoy, overstay. Let's do a couple examples together before you start working on your own. Step 1, after we've read the words, is circle the ending and then write where that word should go. So this one has a vowel Y or vowel O plus Y, and so it would go on this side. Carry has a consonant R plus a Y, so that word would go in this column. Complete this paper on your own and save it in your word study reading folder.